So I bought me some Cologne, guys, to review on the Joseicho show. But I'm gonna show you guys the Cologne I already have. Now, this is my old man cologne. I wear this at church. And it's my good old brew. Now, most people don't like this smell. It smells like an old man. Sometimes I want to smell like an old man. I'm weird, alright? But that's okay. And I get a lot of compliments on this one. This is my Ferrari red. It's actually Ferrari, alright? Which is pretty cool. It's not as expensive as their colors. So don't be too scared of the price. This probably runs you about $20. Old man cologne probably runs you about $7 at Walmart. But here, I got a whole box of cologne, guys. And I'm gonna smell them tonight. I never smelled any of them. Some paper on there. Get rid of that. Alright. Let's get rid of all the paper we got in here. Just waste of space. Oh, that's cool. They gave me like a little vial of exponential because you're for man. It's literally what it sounds. No, I didn't even know about this one, so I'm excited about this one, guys. This is a little twist off that one. Actually, doesn't smell too bad. Too bad it's not a spray. I like the spray on. All the other ones are sprays, but what's cool about this one is $20 off on my next offer. So I guess I just gotta use this and $20 off. So I'm gonna be buying more cologne, it looks like. Alright, since I got the Ferrari red, I had to get the Ferrari black. Yeah, Ferrari black. Let's smell this one. Throw that away. I always love the packaging in these. Kind of like the exact same if you put it right next to each other. I really love the Ferrari colognes. Joseicho approved. Let's see. I'm gonna get one of these colors like this. Just spray it on there. I like this. It's quite different from my Ferrari red, so it still smells good. I don't know which one I like better though. I think I like the black better, my new one. So black wins on that one. They say, once you go black, you don't go bad. So, guys, I guess I'm not going back because I already had a black girl. Last girlfriend was black. I recommend black women. They're amazing. Alright, next on the list is, throw that away, David Hoff Cool Water. Alright. see what kind of bottle it is. That's what the bottle looks like. Kind of classy looking, man. Spray. That one's interesting, actually. I like Ferrari better. That's my opinion. It still smells good. Let's spray again. It smells interesting. I like it. So far, I didn't buy a bag cologne. And where I got this cologne is, I got it here somewhere. Fragrance.com. And they're always doing sales on that site. So if you're looking to try some new cologne or Lay's, they got perfume too. Alright, now I want to try Nordica Blue. I like the little logo on here. It's pretty nice. It looks like, kind of like a sailboat. Maybe Nordica means like sailboat in like Norwegian or something. I don't know. Oh yeah, I remember looking on this one online because it had a cool looking bottle. It does kind of looks like, I don't know what you call that shape, but it's pretty cool. But is it Joseicho approved? That's what we're gonna find out. No, I don't care for it, but it doesn't smell too bad. Still gonna wear it. So I guess then it's Joseicho approved. Alright guys, now we're on Calvin Klein. You know, the underwear one over that. So we got Obsession for men. Let's see. It does look like, I don't know, kind of looks like a feminine bottle. But I think Calvin Klein does female products too, so they probably just switched out the bottles. I don't know. Let's smell this cologne. I really like this Calvin Klein. I think this is the best one I got so far. But hold up, guys. I got other ones. Alright, guys. Throw that there. Now, I got 4 more colognes to try out. Now let's try Jupe. Never heard of Jupe's company at all. Like, most of this stuff was on sale. So, this is what Jupe, I thought Jupe sounded funny because it rhymes with poop. Alright guys. Time to, now does this smell like poop? I hope not. Because it's Jupe. That should be like a logo or something. Now I think this one beats out Obsession. Oh my god. Jupe. I don't know. I like Jupe. Ooh, we just beat Obsession. We just beat Calvin Klein with Jupe. In my opinion. You guys might have different tastes. I don't know. You ever been to Cuba? Because this is Cuban perfume. Or Cuba. It's called Cuba Original. So I wonder if I try this on. Am I gonna smell like a cigarette? Seen the bottle online. It looks like a cigarette. So I'm really excited about opening this one. Dude. Now that's a fatty. That's a fucking stogie right there. I love the design. It might smell like old man though. Old man and cereal. Who knows? I can do some paper. I got 2 more. Doesn't smell too bad. Also, Joseicho approved. I'm glad all that I got was Joseicho approved. You guys gotta try more scents. You really do. You gotta change it up. I was talking to my sister today, and she has one perfume she uses. She's like, so when I walk by, people would know me. I was like, how many blind people are you hanging out with when you want to walk in the room and smell the same? I gotta change it up every day. And that's where I bought all my colognes. Alright, this is lucky number 6. It should have been the 6th one I opened. But, you know, I didn't do it that way. Alright, guys. I bet this is how you get Asian girls, man. You seem like an axe is supposed to get you a whole bunch of women. But this is how you get the Asian one. Lucky number 6. The Devil's Potion. The Devil's Love. Asian Potion. It had a little cool lock thing on it. So, I'm glad. I really like this bottle. A little dragon on it. Pretty cool to me. So let's try it. This might be the most horrible one. Might smell like the beards of Vietnam. But you know what? I love the smell of napalm in the morning. Does it smell like napalm? Let's find out. It doesn't smell too bad. And this one was really cheap. But it's Joseicho approved, so you guys, I'm glad I'm getting stuff that I like. No, I didn't know if I was gonna like any of this. So far, I didn't know. But before I open the last one, the last one's gonna be a throwback for some people. I'm gonna show you what I got with this. Got little nail clippers. No, this stuff is in there. You know, and it says fragrance.com. I wonder if they throw these with every purchase. Huh. I already had some nail clippers though, so. Got $100 wine voucher. Now it says I got register from this site. Register your unique code. It's right here. Get $100 off in case of wine priced at $160 or more. Delivery included. Your money back if you are not totally tantalized. I guess that means or not to buy all this stuff. Minimum 106 purchase of 6, 9, 12, or 15 bottles required. So I gotta buy $100, $160 just to use this. So it's like I have to pay $60 just to use it. Don't know if I'm gonna do it or not yet. Let's see what else they got me. Some book of different fragrances. I don't want to smell that right now. I like to open it and smell it. See if I like it. Oh, that's pretty good, guys. Now, time for the last and the throwback of the day. And we're going with Ed Hardy. We just dropped part of the Cuban in the case. So, I'm going to pick that up. Put it on my case for my Cuban. So, Ed Hardy. I remember when I was like in high school. Ed Hardy was a shit. Everybody wanted Ed Hardy shorts and everything, pants, everything. And then it just kind of like faded out. It was kind of like the cool thing at the time. So let's see. I don't want to ruin the bottle or the tube. I'm opening it. Wow, this is a 16-minute video. Sometimes these tubes are hard to open. They got this tape on this tube. I don't know why. I'm trying not to ruin it. The last two. Weirdest bottle I ever got of Cologne. Got the signature tag on it. Got this cool symbol like this. It's a little dog thing. And it says DEH. Oh shit. This is a weird tube. I've never seen a tube like this. But who knows? Alright, enough talking about the tube. Let's smell this. Let's see. Doesn't smell too bad. Ed Hardy is always cool with me. But I think my favorite one, all the colognes I bought, the Ed Hardy, you know, the Cuban, the Black Ferrari, the David Hoft, Cool Water, Ferrari Red. All these smell good to me. Alright, let's see, the Norwegian, what do I call it, the Norwegian sailboat. It's just what it sounds like to me. And the Obsession. And the lucky number 6. Okay, can't forget about Old Man Brew. This will always be deep down in my heart. It's one of the first colognes I ever had. I think this was, not this bottle though, but this was the first cologne I've ever wore. So I think that's why I like this old man stuff. But further ado, Brew is not the best cologne, especially if you're trying to impress a woman. Now the one I would choose to try and impress a girl is Jew, because it doesn't smell like poo. I'm glad this was my favorite one, because I'm like, I want to say something like this at the end of the video. I gotcha. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching my video. And Jupe's the best one out of all the colognes I've bought. So, hey guys, thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel, The Joseicho Show. Like it. Do all that stuff. Comment on it. Comment anything that you want to see me do on my channel. And I won't disappoint you guys. Love you. Bye.